When your doctor tells you that your kidneys are in trouble, it's a moment that can change everything. The words hang in the air, heavy and hard to process, and suddenly, the future you imagined seems to slip away. You might feel overwhelmed by fear, confusion, and uncertainty, wondering what comes next and how your life will be affected. It can feel like a heavy shadow has fallen over your life, casting doubt on your plans and dreams. The diagnosis can bring a deep sense of isolation, as if no one else truly understands what you're going through. Suddenly, your world shrinks. You're handed a long list of foods to avoid, and every meal becomes a source of anxiety. The medications you're prescribed come with daunting side effects, and it feels like your choices are slipping away, replaced by restrictions and routines you never wanted. The future feels uncertain, filled with endless appointments, tests, and constant worry about what each new result might bring. The days blur together, marked by hospital visits and the fear of what lies ahead. Many patients feel lost and alone, fighting a battle with few real tools. The emotional toll can be just as heavy as the physical one, leaving you searching for hope and support. The medical world often focuses on managing decline, not reversing it, leaving you feeling powerless and resigned to a future you never chose. It's easy to believe that there's nothing you can do to change your path. But what if there was another way? A path that empowers you to heal and rejuvenate your kidneys. Imagine a future where you're not just surviving, but truly living, with renewed energy and hope. Thousands have discovered this reality, reclaiming their energy, confidence, and hope for the future. They've found a way to take control of their health and rewrite their story. Today, I want to share a program that's changing lives, a natural science-backed approach to kidney health that offers real solutions, practical support, and a renewed sense of possibility. You don't have to face this journey alone. Let me tell you about Sarah, diagnosed with stage 4 chronic kidney disease at 58. Her GFR had dropped to 22 and dialysis loomed. She followed every instruction, but conflicting advice left her terrified of food and hopeless about her future. No one offered her a plan for healing until she tried the kidney disease solution alongside her regular care. This comprehensive guide taught her what to eat, which supplements to use, and how to make lifestyle changes. Within weeks, her energy returned, and at her 3-month checkup, her GFR climbed from 22 to 35. She was no longer on the fast track to dialysis. Sarah found a path to recovery. The Kidney Disease Solution is a step-by-step, all-natural program designed to improve kidney function and reverse damage using evidence-based, holistic methods. Created by naturopath Duncan Capitiano, it's built on years of research and clinical trials. The program combines modern nutritional science with traditional healing, recognizing that every person's kidney disease is unique. It guides you to understand your specific condition and tailor the plan to your needs. You get detailed meal plans, recipes, and clear information on foods to heal your kidneys. It's about empowerment, transforming you from a passive patient to an active participant in your healing. The program provides a supportive framework for building healthy habits that benefit your kidneys and overall well-being. The Kidney Disease Solution is built on 4 essential pillars, each designed to address a different aspect of kidney health and overall well-being. This comprehensive approach recognizes that true healing comes from supporting the body as a whole, not just treating isolated symptoms. The first pillar is targeted nutritional therapy. Here, you'll discover specific, science-backed nutrition plans tailored to your unique stage and cause of kidney disease. This isn't a one-size-fits-all diet. It's a personalized approach that helps you choose the right foods to nourish your kidneys, reduce strain, and support your body's natural healing processes. You'll learn how to prepare delicious, kidney-friendly meals that fit your lifestyle and preferences. The second pillar is comprehensive toxin elimination. You'll receive step-by-step guidance to identify and reduce hidden toxins in your environment and diet. Things like additives, preservatives, and household chemicals that can silently burden your kidneys. By making simple changes at home and in your daily routine, you can help your kidneys function more efficiently and protect them from further damage. The third pillar focuses on stress and inflammation reduction. Chronic stress and inflammation are major contributors to kidney decline. This program teaches you easy-to-follow techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and gentle movement to calm your mind and body. You'll also discover the power of anti-inflammatory foods, such as berries, leafy greens, and turmeric, which can help soothe your system and promote healing from within. The fourth pillar is supporting the body's natural repair mechanisms. This involves using carefully selected herbal medicines and supplements that have been shown to protect and even repair kidney tissue. You'll learn which natural remedies are safe and effective and how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum benefit. Together, these four pillars create a powerful healing synergy. They don't just work in isolation, they reinforce each other, helping you build a strong foundation for lasting kidney health. You'll also find support from a community of people on the same journey, making it easier to stay motivated and inspired. With this program, you're empowered to take control of your health. You'll track your progress, celebrate small victories, and see real improvements over time. The tools and knowledge you gain will help your kidneys rebuild one day at a time, giving you hope for a healthier future. This is a truly holistic approach that addresses the root causes of kidney disease, not just the symptoms. By looking at the bigger picture, you can achieve better results and improve your overall quality of life. Unfortunately, this kind of comprehensive care is often overlooked in conventional treatment plans. But with the kidney disease solution, you have a roadmap to lasting kidney health and renewed vitality. The kidney disease solution delivers more than improved lab results. Users report lower creatinine, better potassium and phosphorus balance, and rising GFR. But the real transformation is in daily life. Energy returns, fatigue lifts, and you wake up ready to embrace the day. Food anxiety fades, replaced by confidence and pleasure in eating. The program's meal plans and recipes make nourishing your body simple and enjoyable. Most importantly, you regain hope and control, becoming the hero of your own health story. This mindset shift replaces helplessness with purpose and optimism. Taking back the reins of your health is the greatest benefit of all. Real stories from the kidney disease solution community show its impact in ways that statistics alone can't capture. These are journeys of hope, resilience, and transformation, shared by people just like you, facing the challenges of kidney disease and finding new possibilities. Take Robert, for example. At 62, he was struggling with fatigue and uncertainty, his GFR at a worrying 21, but after just 8 weeks on the program, his GFR climbed to 34. He regained not only his energy, but also a renewed sense of hope for the future, inspiring his family and friends. Then there's Maria, a dedicated teacher living with diabetes-related kidney disease. She watched her GFR improve steadily, and her blood sugar levels finally stabilized. With her medication reduced, she felt empowered to focus on her students and her own well-being, proving that positive change is possible at any stage. David, in his late 60s, saw his GFR rise from 28 to 41 in just 4 months. With his health improving, he started planning trips and adventures he once thought were out of reach, embracing life with a new sense of excitement and possibility. These aren't just testimonials. Their lives transformed by knowledge, support, and the courage to take the first step. Each story is a testament to the power of community and the difference the right guidance can make. With the right guidance, people step off the path of decline and onto the path of recovery. They discover that they're not alone, and that support is always within reach. The program's support and clear direction make real change possible. Whether it's through expert advice, community encouragement, or step-by-step plans, every member finds the tools they need to succeed. These stories prove that healing is within reach for anyone willing to take action. The journey may not always be easy, but the results speak for themselves. You can be the next success story. Your journey to better kidney health can start today, and your story could inspire others tomorrow. Let's look at the pros and cons of the kidney disease solution. Pros. It's 100% natural, safe, and complements your doctor's treatments. Every recommendation is backed by scientific research. The program is comprehensive, easy to follow, and provides step-by-step instructions, meal plans, and recipes. Cons. It's digital only, so you'll need to be comfortable with online materials or print them yourself. The program requires commitment and lifestyle changes. It's not a magic pill. But the gradual guided approach makes changes manageable and sustainable. The results depend on your effort, but the rewards are life-changing. For those ready to invest in their health, the benefits far outweigh the challenges. For a limited time, you can get the kidney disease solution at a significant discount. This includes lifetime access to all materials, manuals, guides, cookbooks, and valuable bonuses. Bonuses include a fast-track diet guide, meditation audios, and a grocery shopping list to simplify your journey. You'll also receive free lifetime updates and unlimited email support from their team of naturopaths. This special offer is only available to a limited number of new members. If you're ready to take control of your health, don't wait. This is your chance to access a proven roadmap to better kidney health at an affordable price. We've explored the fear of kidney disease, Sarah's inspiring recovery, and the life-changing benefits of the kidney disease solution. Now the choice is yours. Continue on the same path, or take control and begin healing. Join a community of thousands who have turned their health around. The program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If you're not satisfied, you get a full refund, no questions asked. Don't let another day go by feeling helpless. Imagine yourself with more energy, confidence, and better lab results. Take the first step. Click the link, learn more, and give yourself the gift of health. Your future self will thank you.